Tired of Duolingo nagging you about your super subscription? Let's break free and cancel that subscription. First, if you subscribe through the Duolingo app, tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Tap on it to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find something labeled Manage Subscription. Tap this. This will redirect you to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. Here, you'll see your Duolingo subscription. Select it and tap on Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. Okay, let's say you subscribed through the Duolingo website. Open your browser and go to Duolingo.com. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side menu, look for Duolingo Plus. If you don't see it, look for Manage Subscription or similar. Click on it. Scroll down. You should see a Cancel Subscription button. Click on it. You may need to confirm your decision, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your Duolingo subscription. Remember to check your Google Play Store or Apple App Store to ensure your subscription is canceled properly.